Welcome to GW Manager. In this video, I will give you an overview of our new feature, SmartFilters Export, which will speed up your user management in Google Workspace and help you save a bunch of your time. Let us understand how SmartFilters work, and then we will see the live demo. With GW Manager, you can do bulk operations in Google Workspace. That also includes managing your users, be it suspend users, delete users, archive them, reset their password, putting them in different organizational units, and the list goes on. And to understand SmartFilters, let's take an example of suspending a bunch of users in your Google Workspace. Now, unless you already have suspend users email list from your HR system or from your student management system, which you can copy paste in GW Manager to suspend those users, you will generally export the users of your Google Workspace domain in a sheet with GW Manager, and then you will filter that Google Sheet based on certain criteria, maybe their organizational unit, last login date, etc. And then you will copy that filter data, you will paste that data in Update Users sheet, and then you will change the suspended column to true, and then finally you need to run Update Users function in GW Manager to bulk suspend your Google Workspace users. This process will be now just 2 steps. Step number 1, you will now use SmartFilters to tell us what filters you want to use. And second, you will select the features like reset password on your next login or move them to another organizational unit, etc. And then you can export this ready to operate data into Update Users sheet. You don't need to change anything there, just review and run the Update Users function. Now let me show you a quick demo. I'm in my Google Workspace administration console and I have this organizational unit, GW Demo. In that, I have 10 users, and out of 10, 1 logged in a month ago and rest 9 have never logged in. And my task is to bulk suspend all of these except the one that just logged in a month ago, and only from GW Demo organizational unit. And let me show you how SmartFilters can help us speed up this task. I'll go to my Google Sheet, go to Extensions, GW Manager, and launch it. If you do not see GW Manager here, please visit our website for installation instructions. Then I will select Manage Users. Under Users, I have this new feature, SmartFilters Export. I'll select that. Then I will install the sheet if it's not installed yet. I have already installed it, so I'll click on Execute. It will open a pop-up where we can do a bunch of operations. We can suspend, archive, delete, change org-unit, reset password, and rename domain if you are rebranding based on certain features and criteria. And we have made separate videos for all of them, so consider watching on our YouTube channel. For now, let's stick to our suspend use case. You can use filters on this screen and some features. These filters will be using AND logic. In our case, we need to suspend users of GW Demo organizational unit. If I put / and leave it like that, it means my root organizational unit. But in my case, I will write GW Demo, that's the organizational unit I'm looking to suspend users in. I can say last login was March 1st because I want to make sure that this user who logged in a month ago shouldn't be suspended. We can also tell GW Manager to export users who are or who are not delegated admins. If we do not select anything here, GW Manager will export the users regardless of whether they are delegated admins or not. If you want GW Manager to generate secure passwords for all of these users, you can keep the click or the check on this yes. If you want to provide one common password for all the users, which we do not recommend, you can click no and enter your password here. For now, I will let GW Manager generate unique secure passwords for each of these users. And then I can also select reset password on next login. I understand these users will be suspended and the chances are that they might not log in now onwards. But still, just to show you the demonstration of how it works, let's click Reset Password on next login to Yes. If you made a mistake and need to change anything, either you can change on the field itself or you can click on the Reset button, which will reset the values that you have filled. Please note, we are not running suspend operation here itself. This screen is just helping us prepare our data so that we can review and run the function at one click. After putting my criteria and selecting the features, when I click on Export to Update Sheet, it will override the data that I might already have in Update Sheet. So please keep that in mind. I understand that, so I will click on this checkbox and select Export to Update Sheet. Now GW Manager will do the export, run the filters and functions, and it has put the data in my Update User Sheet and took me here. It has put email addresses. It only fetched email addresses or the users from gwdemo.org because this is one of my criterias. It has also generated secure password for each of these users, so I can save some time there. As we instructed, it has put change password at next login to true, and it has also made suspended column to true. So we do not need to enter anything manually here. As the data is already here, now we can go to Update Users Sheet and click on Execute to run this operation. And within a few seconds, GW Manager suspended these users successfully. So now let's go to Admin Console and view this. I will refresh the browser and then I will go to GW Demo, and all of the users are suspended except the active one because of our last login criteria. This is how you can use SmartFilters to save a bunch of your time and speed up your Google Workspace bulk user management. You can do much more with GW Manager, and we are constantly adding new features based on customers' feedback. In fact, SmartFilters is the result of the customer feedback. Please visit our website gwmanager.com to learn more. Thank you for watching.